Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a great day. Today is going to be, I'm going to be testing out the new Bellapierre mascara. Now then, I got this through my glossy box. It's because I review all of the products that I get in the box, and I write a review and you get rewards. So I used my rewards to get this Bellapierre Cosmetic Volumizing Mascara. This is cruelty free and you get 6 months with it. And yeah, so that is the box there. You see it? I do like to review everything because it needs testing, and this was like £20, but I got it for 30p. It was because of my points that I get from the glossy box. I will leave the link and all of that to the glossy box webpage, where you can go and subscribe to the box, the subscription box. You just review and then you get points, and then those points you can knock it off whatever you want to buy. So it's pretty good. It's money saving at the best because you get cosmetics, you get makeup. So I'm reviewing this and I will do check-ins through the day. So this is the mascara. It's in jet black. As you'll see, it tells you that. It'll say it's jet black, yes. I'm also loving these earrings I got from Luna Likes. I love them. They're the butterfly ones, and I don't know whether you will be able to see it, but it is the butterfly choker as well. I'm just going to move you back a bit because I just feel as though we're not getting you in the whole shot. There we go. So we're going to open this up. It comes in a really nice box. I do like the boxing. The packaging is really nice. It's like professional, as you would if you were going to buy something that's really expensive. Also, I've used the Soap and Glory Archery on my brows. I think it is a tad bit too dark for me. I think I need to get a lighter one, but it's okay for now. And Wet n Wild foundation. And yeah, so that is where we're up to now. I'm just opening the box for this. So, and oh, it's a really nice casing as well. It feels really nice. I do like it. It's really nice. I love this silver part. It really is pretty. And yeah, so this would just go in a handbag. It's really nice. So I'm just going to have a look at the wand that it comes with. So it's that sort of wand there. Right, so first of all, I'm going to just give this a shake. So shake it like so for a few seconds. Do not get carried away with it. Well, you do, but I do get carried away with it. Secretly I do. Oh, this is made in Taiwan. I thought that it was going to be made in the USA, but it is not. It is cruelty free though. Right, so here we go. And this is supposed to be volumizing. I have no eyeshadow on. I thought it's best to actually do this without any eyeshadow. So I'm just going to get closer to the camera so you will be able to see if this is... I didn't want to do that. Ow! Volumizing. I think that looks quite pretty. I mean, compare it to that one. But is it worth the £20? That's the thing. Is it worth the £20 price tag? That is what we're gonna... I will clean that up later. Right, something went wrong there with my phone, but we were on testing the Bellapierre mascara out. And I didn't clean that up while the camera was off neither. So I will clean that up later. But we are just... So I'm just trying to squiggle to the bottom and lift it from the root. So you can see the comparison. This is the second layer going on. It's like I've got false eyelashes on. It actually looks quite good, but I don't know if it's worth the £20 price ticket, because you could get that with, well, Bang is about the same price, Benefit Bang, they're £21, but I would think that you could get this with Essence, which is like about £3, but that is good. I'm really impressed with that. It's like really, really good. I like it. I quite like that a lot. Right, so now I'm just going to do the other side. Oh, and it hasn't gone clumpy as well. It has not gone clumpy, which is good because we do not want to be entering Clumpy Town. Well, no. So I'm just going to finish off this other side. And like I said, I've made a little whoopsie again. I look like... Oops, don't want to happen. It is definitely volumizing and really nicely coloured black. It is really... That is, I would say that this one is definitely worth the price tag of £20. I will buy this again in a heartbeat. It's really a really good mascara. I do like it. So yeah, this is definitely a good one. I'm so pleased. I got it for £30. Right, so now I am just going to clean this up. I should have actually brought some, those epokers, what do you call them? These are them. I have some already. So cotton buds, that's what they are called. And I am just going to clean this up using my Ever Trustworthy. I don't know how many times I've promoted this, but this is what I do use. The Garnier one, and is it gonna lift it? And it's off. That is really quick, isn't it? Super quick. I think I did a little whoopsie there as well. So yeah, so that whoopsie is now gonna be gone. Just like so. So it's like magic. Now it's here, now it's gone. Right, so you'll see that they are really volumized. Now I'm just going to do the bottom ones as well. Probably go over that one, give it a second coating like I did with that one, so they're exactly the same. So now I'm going to be undoing my bottom lashes. I don't know what is up with this camera today, but it just keeps on cutting out on me. It's like it's full of battery, but it's not working really good. So the bottom ones. You see, it is not clumping at all. It really is quite good. I just haven't got the best angle for this. And again, I didn't put on my eyeliner because I want to show you what this mascara can do with my phone camera. I know it's not the best, but it is all I have at the minute. I am, by the way, getting a new phone. I'm going to be getting the Samsung S9 Plus, and I shall see what the camera is like on that one. So there we go. There's no clumpiness. It hasn't gone to Clumpy Town. Clumpy Town has buggered off, but it is absolutely really nice. It was super easy to put on as well. It's not actually super easy when you're putting it on using your camera on your phone. It's just not. If I had my mirror here, I would say that this would go on absolutely fine. I had no troubles with it putting it on. I'm just going to do what I did before, which is clean this little bad boy up, because it is like looking annoying. So yeah, back to this. We're going to use this again. Garnier Sensitive Mascara Oil Infused. It's one of my always go-tos. If you watch my videos, I will use this all of the time. It really is really good. It's for sensitive skin as well. And it just really takes that off, no problems at all. If you have, like you're like me, you make a lot of mistakes. Nobody's perfect. We all have our little off days. Oh, this brush is quite bendy as well. I have actually just found that out, but look. You see the bend on that and the outcome of that. Now I don't want to get that on my bottom lashes again. So I'm just going to actually go and clean off this mascara because it's just getting everywhere. So let's not do it at the moment. Wow, that looks really nice. I do like that. I'm just going to go over it one more time just to get it right. That's nice, I do like that. So I'm just going to actually have a quick look in the mirror because I've never had a look in the mirror at it. It's super volumizing, I love it. But I do see a little problem there, but I will fix that. Right, so if you liked this quick review, well it's not quick is it? This review on my Bellapierre new mascara, please give me a thumbs up. Like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye! In the eye again.